Hi everybody, this is Taylor from the Cohen Group Northwest, and today I want to sit down and talk with everybody about a really exciting project that we're working on to support a local nonprofit right here in Bellingham. If you haven't already heard, there's a really phenomenal program called Bellingham Family Resource Center. Their whole goal is connecting with different families in the school system to make sure that they and their children have access to basic needs that better promote their ability to have success in school.
Over the last year, the Consumer Price Index said that food costs went up by 6.5% just in the last year. It goes without saying that most people's incomes have not risen along with that. Along with that comes increased costs for basic household supplies like laundry and soap and diapers and just these basic needs that all of us have in our homes every single day.
Things that maybe for some of us are a very easy afterthought of, well, I'm just gonna go to the store and pick that up. Not everybody has that luxury or that privilege. So we wanted to help them out a little bit and fulfill some items on their wish list.
We are doing a giving drive for the month of February. And what that means is we are going to provide a link to you to be able to access our Amazon wish list, which has a bunch of family basic items that the Family Resource Center is in need of currently. We've tried to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to give to members in our community and the Family Resource Center.
We're going to link our Amazon wish list somewhere on the screen or in our bio or wherever, and it runs to a wish list that ships directly to the Cohen Group Northwest. We've got a bunch of items on there, a lot of things that they've recently mentioned that they're in really big need of.
Two things that are regularly in short supply are toilet paper and family-sized laundry detergent.
There's diapers, there are bags for them to bring these items to the families. They're all different things that all you have to do is click and it'll ship right to us. No hassle, no worry for you about whether to pick it up or drop it off. It goes right to us and you'll know that you've helped the family right here in Whatcom County. In addition to supplying with physical supplies, you can also make a monetary donation if that's something that speaks to your heart. You can contact the team directly at Taylor, Taylor, at CohenGroupNorthwest.com so we can give you all the details on who to make the checkout to over at the FRC.
As you might know, one of our team's core values here at the Cohen Group is giving back to our community in just the small ways that we as regular people can do every single day or every single month.
We've got the entire month of February to host this drive. So you've got from right now, this day, until the very end of February on the 28th.
We're thrilled to support this nonprofit this season, and we hope that you'll join us.
Help us support them, and in turn, help us support our neighbors here in Bellingham. Thank you, guys. See you soon.